Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have some very heavy rainfall already moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas this morning as a warm front approaches the region. Now, this cluster of showers and thunderstorms are already reducing visibility below 7 miles and also producing some very heavy downpours. Watch out for some of that urban flooding as well. This will continue to drop to the south and east this morning with the potential for some intense heavy downpours and poor driving conditions. So a perfect way to start off the morning rush hour. This won't be the last round of showers and thunderstorms for today, as we'll have an isolated threat for showers through the afternoon with the warm front lifting northward. And then we have the cold front this afternoon and evening that's going to be capable of producing some strong to severe thunderstorms. And these thunderstorms look to pack quite a punch. When you take a look at the latest satellite picture, you can see that first round of showers and thunderstorms are already supported with some very cold cloud tops here. And then we have our cold front off to the west here with very impressive cloud tops pushing well up into the atmosphere. And that is the result of strong to severe thunderstorms already this morning in the Ohio River Valley. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our warm front lifts northward. Look for the threat for isolated showers capable of some very heavy downpours this afternoon. Otherwise, look for scattered broken cloud cover with temperatures rising into the mid-60s to lower 70s on Long Island, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. Could see a few lower 80s over the Philadelphia metro if we get enough breaks of sun. This evening, that cold front will be approaching the region. Now, these thunderstorms are going to be packing quite a punch. You're talking about intense heavy downpours, frequent lightning, hail, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and even the threat for an isolated tornado. I would not be surprised if we see a tornado watch show up for eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey, possibly a severe thunderstorm watch for the New York City metro and Jersey Shore. We'll see how that sets up. It depends on how the atmosphere evolves and how fast this warm front lifts northward. But any way you slice it, these thunderstorms are going to have a significant impact on the evening rush hour throughout the region. By tomorrow morning, though, that all clears out of here. And what that will mean is that for the start of the Memorial Day weekend, which, let's face it, a lot of you take off for Friday, we have temperatures ranging in the morning hours in the upper 50s to lower 60s, and then in the afternoon with clear skies, highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Now on Saturday, high pressure will pass over the region. Look for scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the mid-60s to lower 70s on Long Island, mid-70s everywhere else. On Sunday, our warm front will lift northward with a threat for a few isolated showers. Not a washout, but just keep an eye to the sky. Very warm out there, with lows in the lower 60s and highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s on Long Island, mid to upper 80s everywhere else. On Monday, a cold front will attempt to move through with a few isolated showers. Again, not a washout, but just keep an eye to the sky. Look for lows in the lower 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Tuesday, that cold front stalls out over the region with a few isolated showers. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, mid-70s to lower 80s in the New York City metropolitan area, mid to upper 80s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, depending on where this cold front stalls out. On Wednesday, the cold front rebounds as a warm front. Another cold front will be approaching from the west with a threat for isolated widely scattered showers. Wednesday has the potential to be very hot throughout the region depending on the position of this warm front. To the north of the warm front, look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and lower 80s to mid 80s for highs. However, to the south of that warm front, low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s and high temperatures will range from the upper 80s to mid 90s. So clearly a nice little divide there as all that hot air that's building over the southeast will try to make a run up into New England. But it won't be able to last very long as a cold front will be approaching on Thursday. Watch out for showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows, mid to upper 80s for highs, and by the time we get to next Friday, we're right back down into the 60s and 70s for highs as that hot air mass is kicked right out into the western Atlantic. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.